Welcome to Da Nang and
Goodbye. Thank you.
bye bye. Like and subscribe, yes. We just had a great banh mi again. We are here in the Chao Thi Vin Tay Street, and we're gonna go some sneaky routes all the way back into our neighborhood. Ah! Look how fast I am, Marcus.
I'm old, you know.
I'm old? Okay. What's Marcus?
This is from Bayern, the home.
Weißt du, was das ist? You know what this is, Marcus?
No.
An Thuong 24.
Ah, okay.
We are still in the An Thuong area, and I believe, oh look at this, this is an apartment building, right? No, it's a spa.
Spa.
Huh. Okay.
But look at this. There's all the noises from this street. Here's almost nothing.
Yeah, there's no hardcore noise here. We still have motorbikes driving around, but no honking at the moment. Also, if you're scared to drive motorbike in the busy streets, you can always take the sneaky routes here. That's what I like. I also like to walk here more than on the big streets. Look at the small alleyways here.
Yeah.
This is also where you can get good deals here, where it's not that loud.
Oh, look at this.
Hopsmith Tavern, a beer house.
I remember this place.
Yeah, we went there one time, right?
Yeah. But we just walked by and thought we want to come back one day.
Oh, there's a coffee shop here.
The Belgian waffle.
Oh, waffle.
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 Waffle, yeah. This is also on Grab.
Oh, look at this. There's also a brand new building here. Oh.
Hallelujah.
If I'm right, there's gonna be one of the best pizzas in town on this way.
This is the first time.
La
I see a
Vegan.
vegan buffet.
What?
Look at this.
Dude, 89K?
Just for cucumbers?
For all my vegan viewers, yeah, that's where you go. A vegan buffet
Nice.
for around $3.40.
Yeah.
You can eat a buffet for $3.40. That's crazy.
You can slice your cucumber.
Cucumber. All right. We definitely don't discriminate here on this channel. What is this, Marcus? You can put, what is that?
I think it's something with beauty.
Oh, so
Facial care. But also, this is a new one.
Look at this. That sounds so sketchy. Sue Dubai perfume. Oh.
Maybe it's a perfume for a Roman.
Oh yeah. Dubai. Look at this. It's a perfumery. It's a German word for it. And look at this. It's a brand new coffee shop here.
Exactly.
Oh wow. This is crazy. We're walking around so many new places, so many old places closed down, something new opening up. It's crazy. One of our favorite restaurants just closed, and I'm very sad to see this. I really hope I don't know, it looked like they're closing it up.
Oh, look at this. Me or no.
Healing dessert and drinks. Wow. Marcus, I always said there is something healing in desserts.
And I thought it's something healing in a desert.
Oh man. All right.
When you have the level of me speaking English, that's funny.
All right. But here, there we go. Bravo Pizzeria. Vietnamese who lived in Italy opened up this beautiful pizzeria. It looks a little bit closed today, but they open up later. Hello.
But also Tommy, a friend of us, he said it's the best pizza in town for him. And he's a pizza specialist.
He loves pizza. He loves Napolitan. Yeah, this Italian pizza style with the juicy crust, you know.
From Napoli. There's where
Napoli, yes.
from.
Oh, really? He's Italian, right?
Yeah, he's Italian.
Oh.
And he was from Napoli.
Napoli. Yeah, so this pizza, if you want to have a good pizza, check it out. All these kind of places are, of course, in my Google Maps guides. If you have not get it yet, get the Google Maps guide right now. We're gonna check out the street now. There's something new. I hope this Hanoi place is open. Was it left or was it right?
Look at this.
Oh,
They're selling whey.
on my way.
Probably they're selling whey protein.
Protein, 60.
Yes.
How much? 30 grams of protein in large size.
There's no price. Oh, what is that?
Yeah, it's 60K. 60 dong.
Oh, yeah.
I guess it's 60,000 dong, right?
So it's €2 and probably $2.50.
Yeah.
250.
Okay, interesting. So for all my gym bros, maybe that's something for you. There's another construction site. Something very new here in Da Nang. Oh, Marcus, this is the Hanoi place. Do you think it's open? Man,
Nah, it do not look like.
it doesn't look like. Yeah. But the sign was up there for at least 2-3 months. And I'm like, when are they gonna open up? Because we want to have more Hanoi food here. But it's not there. No bun cha, no pho Hanoi.
Before they open, they close down.
Yeah. Look at this. Hanoi grill and bun cha. This is what we need. We need more bun cha. More bun cha in our lives.
Oh, she moved from this side to this side.
Oh yeah, true. This is where you always get your clothing repaired. Oh, look at this cute dog. Hello, hello. Why are you so cute? Yeah, give us a kiss. Yes, yeah, yes. I love you too. I love you too. You're beautiful.
So what do?
Oh,
Your dog.
oh, okay. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, she likes me now. Ah! Yeah! And maybe that's a sign. Excuse me, ma'am. I don't know why she's sniffing me. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe she wants to.
Oh, she's fighting.
I think she wants to come with us. Yeah.
We are coming.
Yeah.
It's always food.
That's true. That's true. It's an interesting ramen place. I have not tried yet. Oh, I gotta. There's grand opening. I guess it was already.
Yeah, for 6 months now.
Yeah, it's good. Maybe there's still a deal there. Wow. What are they building up there? They completely removed the house where they're standing there and already.
This seems pretty finished. The apartment building on the other side.
Oh yes, true.
That's pretty finished.
This was a Bunda Mam Tom restaurant before, and now it's Indian. Huh. Thai street food, Marcus. Wow. We need that. But yeah, I don't know how to get into this building. Look at this apartment building over there. I have no idea how to get in there. There's a laundry over there. This is also the street where you get very good American desserts that it has 1,000,000 calories.
And also
Good pavement.
It's a new street.
New pavement.
Pavement? It's not a pavement. It's a street.
I mean, a pavement is still a. Wally,
Oh yeah, Wally. It's for
maybe
you.
that's for you to skate.
Maybe he already.
I'm wondering when I will see him first. So the Muping and Co. Thai street food is closed at the moment. I hope it's just closed until the evening. So here's a big parking lot.
Yeah, I like these little bullies.
Yeah, the bullies.
BW. Is it the same name in America?
I don't know.
BW bully?
No idea. Maybe someone can comment. How does the Volkswagen bus sound? What is the name for that? In German, it's bully. I think they probably have a specific name for that too.
Bullying people.
Yeah.
Just the German word bully.
You know what I want to check out? Here on the left, there's a brand new spot. Wondering if they're open and operating already. Look at how many motorbikes driving here. And no one is stopping. You still have to walk confidently. Also look to the right side, very important. You have to...
Look at this. This is the place they are building right now.
Oh.
You remember? It's in front of the 24 hours Fola store.
Oh.
Our camp. So now we know it's seafood.
Seafood, okay. We're definitely gonna check this out because my wife loves seafood. And I think many people always ask me about seafood as well. Yeah. I will definitely do some seafood videos on my main channel, Social Semi, and take my wife. She's a specialist. She can completely demolish 100 crabs an hour or something. Sometimes she wakes up and chooses war, goes to the local market, buys lots of seafood alive, and then she's preparing it. Oh, wow. And all in the AM.
It's a brewing.
Oh. This is the thing. But they're not open. Maybe they're only in the evening open. It looks like another beer place, but they have high seatings. That's pretty good. Looks like proper seating for some Western butts. Oh, Marcus, look at this. There's a new coffee shop. There's no sign on it.
There's one lately.
Lately. It's another hipster coffee shop. Cool. Lots of young people. Nothing for us, Marcus. Let's go. We are not this age demographic.
Yeah.
But there are lots of places changing. It's absolutely insane. And this is a very, very weird building. There's nothing going on there. It's just, it feels like it is empty.
Yeah. And it's also, it looks like nobody's living there.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a full apartment complex, but yeah, nothing going on there. I'm just wondering, like, okay, if no one's living there, how will it look inside? Full of mold.
Mold.
It's very bad with the humidity in the apartments, especially if they're not rented out. You gotta be very careful, guys. When you look out for apartments, go close to the wall and look if there's some mold around.
It's just wet.
Or if it's wet, exactly. How it feels, you walk in.
If you plan to live here longer, you should buy a dehumidifier.
Dehumidifier, 100%. 100%. We bought one and it is the best thing on earth. It's like, it's a little bit too hardcore because it sucks out literally 5 liters every 6 hours or something. It's so powerful. I'm like, oh my God. I feel like I'm in a desert now. All right. I don't know why the dogs like me so much. Oh, maybe I'm still smelling like the pate banh mi. I think dogs love pate. Yeah, maybe that's why.
What is that? NVN.
Chick-choo! This is the Labubudum thing.
Oh, yeah.
It's a Labubu VF3.
Oh, and they also already had an accident.
I would say something, but I don't want to get cancelled.
Yeah.
Comment below what you think. I did not see it.
It's better now. Well, there's another one.
Dude, I want to have one too. I'm actually looking out for an old BMW, and it's just not in the country. It's very interesting. Some cars are not available here. And the problem is with Vietnam, you cannot import old cars. But maybe someone here is Vietnamese and know a little bit more than I do, or what ChatGPT is saying. So is it possible for everyone who's living in Vietnam, do you know if we can import a 30-year-old car? So it's an old-timer, not Heimer, old-timer. So this would be very interesting because I really want to have an old German car, and I did not see any of those on the street. I'm not sure if it's even possible or legal. So we are here in the Alego Cafe. You gotta be careful. If you're not German, there are too many Germans there. Yeah. Be careful.
There's a lot of Germans right now.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next walk.